there's tremendous excitement in US for
Yeah.
this tour.
I am just too excited because I'm going there after 7 years, but now I'm so charged and everything just is seeming right. And I can't wait to entertain the people of USA because I think they really need to see what I've been cooking, and it's been a long time, so it'll be nice to have them all in front of me.
I've been in regular
Yeah.
touch with Rocky Ji of Sri Balaji Entertainment. He is
Yes.
super charged up.
I mean, just the fact that I've not really done any shows with anybody else other than Balaji in USA. Rocky ji, he's so wonderful, so comfortable to work with.
This entire adrenaline element that is there, it can truly be associated with you as well.
Ready and charged up when I'm on stage. I'm most free when I'm on that stage.
The imagination is not any Indian tour, not any South Asian tour. The imagination is world class.
What's important is, because the most important thing is कि हमने जो last किया था, क्या हम इस show में उससे बेहतर हैं? Because there's no end to perfection. ऐसा जादू डाला रे, ऐसा जादू डाला रे, my name is शीला, शीला की जवानी, बीड़ी जलाई ले.
Suriti, welcome and बहुत मुबारकबाद आपको for the upcoming USA tour.
Thank you so much, Faridun.
मैं पहले आपका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगा because I've been just watching your interviews and I've been going through your Instagram. There's an amazing energy that you're having and I've known you for many years now. The transformation
Yeah.
has been absolutely wonderful. एक आर्टिस्ट के
Thank
लिए हंगरी होना या भूख को रखना अपने अंदर कितना जरूरी होता है?
मुझे नहीं मालूम जरूरी really है कि नहीं, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसी चीज है जो बहुत पर्सनल है, या तो होती है या फिर नहीं होती. वो भूख है आपके अंदर तो वो आपके खुद के लिए है, किसी और के लिए नहीं है. सो एज लॉन्ग एज इट्स ऑल अबाउट लुकिंग इनटू oneself and doing something for your own self first and not trying to prove to the world, then that kind of hunger is great. Sometimes we try to do things according to people, to make people happy. I think वहां पे थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ हो जाती है. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है whatever it is, whether it's hunger or it's the drive or it's love for your work, it's all for yourself first, I feel.
You're going to US right now. You're performing in 9 cities, and I personally feel the sort of show that you are putting up, the sort of performer that you have in a way transformed yourself into yourself. This is as good as any world class performer.
Of course, there's a lot of hard work and a lot of love and passion for what I do, and it starts from there. बहुत, I mean, I'm thankful to God कि मैं कुछ ऐसा कर रही हूँ जिससे मुझे पहले प्यार ही है और वो मेरा काम भी है. I'm just blessed that way. नहीं तो हम बहुत सारी चीजें, दुनिया में ऐसे लोग होते हैं उनको जो उनके मन का काम नहीं होता वो करना पड़ता है just to run their lives. And so I'm one of those blessed ones who get to do what they love to do. और फिर अगर आपके अंदर पैशन है, अगर आप पागलों की तरह वैसा ही फील करते हैं आज भी जैसे आप इतने सालों पहले फील करते थे अपने काम को लेके, अपने अपने पैशन को लेके, तो आई थिंक सब कुछ ऑटो पायलट पे चलता रहता है. एंड यू आर जस्ट ड्रिवन, यू जस्ट हैप्पी डूइंग एवरीथिंग, आई थिंक.
मुझे एक एहसास होता है कि that I'm sure that you must have had your favorite speech. I think maybe Madonna or like a lot of Beyonce, for example. I think you went to a Beyonce concert a few years back and you spoke about it as well.
Yes.
It's like that you are seeing yourself doing the same thing and you're actually pulling it off, which I think in India no one else is doing it. Manifestation का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस आपके जिंदगी में?
मैनिफेस्टेशन कहीं ना कहीं बैक ऑफ माई माइंड तो होता होगा, क्योंकि आप कोई चीज देखते हैं तो उससे इंस्पायर होते हैं. आप पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि कहीं वो कॉपी ना हो जाए, फिर तो क्योंकि कॉपी करना थोड़ा आसान हो जाता है, बट इंस्पायर होके उसको किसी तरीके से अपने स्टाइल में कोशिश ये करना कि इंस्पायर होके ज्यादा बेहतर कर सके. वैसे भी दुनिया में आई डोंट थिंक कोई कंपैरिजन होना चाहिए किसी का भी किसी से, क्योंकि एवरीबॉडी इज यूनिक. बट या are you are you the best version of your own self? That's something that I believe in, that just keep getting better. और ऑफ कोर्स इतने सारे आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनसे आप इंस्पायर होते हो, किसी के वोकल्स से इंस्पायर होते हो, किसी की परफॉर्मेंस से, किसी के ओवरऑल अपीयरेंस से, किसी की शोमैनशिप से आप इंस्पायर होते हो. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट वन थिंग. फॉर मी एंटरटेनमेंट और बीइंग ऑन स्टेज इज द मोस्ट real self of me on stage. So that's why that is the place where I enjoy the most, because I'm the most real self. totally me.
If you talk about the
Yeah.
US tour, it's wonderful. You call it I Am Home. I'll come to that as well. That why do you call it I Am Home? But 3rd May you're having it in Dallas. 4th May is Los Angeles.
Yeah.
9th May is San Jose. 10th May is Seattle. 17th is New Jersey. 24th is
Atlantic City. Yeah.
24th is Miami, Florida.
24th is Washington,
20,
D.C.
24th
25th
is
is 4.
24th is Washington DC. I think 25th is Washington DC.
Is it? Okay, so maybe 24th is Fort Lauderdale.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah. 20,
Yeah.
25th is
Yeah.
Washington DC. Then 30th is Austin, and 31st is Atlanta. Yeah, and there's tremendous excitement in US for
Yeah.
this tour, because I don't think any other performer does what you do whatsoever. How excited are you for this?
I am just too excited because I'm going there after 7
Mm,
years. The last time I went there was 2018. It was a different kind of a show. It was not my solo. Me and Bacha, we performed together. And then for some unfortunate reasons, I had to come back in between because I was not doing health-wise too good. But now I'm so charged and everything just is seeming right. And I can't wait to entertain the people of USA because they really need to see what I've been cooking, and it's been a long time. So it'll be nice to have them all in front of me and, just getting to spend some time with them because those 3 hours on stage is just going to be me and them. So yeah, it's going to be special.
I've been in regular
Yeah.
touch with Rocky ji of Sri Balaji Entertainment.
Yeah.
And he is
Yes.
super charged up. And लेकिन मैं बहुत सालों से मैं सुनिधि को जानता हूँ. And this is going to
जी.
be a great tour whatsoever. And Darshan ji, of course, something about Sri Balaji Entertainment. 35 साल भी complete कर रहे हैं ये लोग. How excited are you collaborating with them?
I mean, just the fact that I've not really done any shows with anybody else other than Balaji in USA because they are Rocky ji. He's so wonderful, so comfortable to work with. He's seen me since I was like 17, 18 years old.
Right.
So it's been a long time. वो मुझे बहुत समय से जानते हैं और अब मेरी नस नस से वो मुझे जानते हैं. So he's definitely more excited because he's been seeing my reels and wherever I've been performing. So उनके लिए भी ये एक नया शो होगा देखने के लिए. We all are actually, and my whole band, my dance team, my production team, my management, everybody is really excited.
Coming to your band and your set design, for example, the lighting. Once again,
Yeah.
the imagination is not any Indian tour, not any South Asian tour. The imagination is world class quality. How important is it for you to just make sure that the entire paraphernalia is equally important as your amazing performance?
It is very important. For us, especially, was the most important thing is कि हमने जो last किया था, क्या हम इस show में उससे बेहतर हैं? Because there's no end to perfection and there's no best level क्योंकि, with technology and with people working so hard, everything just keeps getting better and better and better. Just when you think you've achieved this much, this is great, you will come across a clip which is like, so just when you think आपने कुछ achieve कर लिया है कि ये बहुत अच्छा हो गया है, उसके बाद there's another level. I mean, you would come across a reel or some video of some artist in the world who's done the impossible and you think कि ये possible ही नहीं है करना, and then you work hard towards this and towards that and you get to some place which is closer in terms of the thought process, not really adapting it the way it is. But so that's the drive and that's what keeps us going क्योंकि गाने वही हैं, कुछ नए गाने भी आ जाएं तो वो भी वही हैं, वही 7 सुर हैं. How can you really make people feel that this is something else? What it is, they won't know what it is because those detailings, जितनी details काम में जाती हैं, उनका जो intensity है, उनका gravity है, वो लोग नहीं समझ पाएंगे exactly in detail. But sitting in the audience, I feel you can definitely feel it. You can't explain it, but you can feel it that there is something, and this feeling is good. We don't want this feeling to get over, and that's the only thing I always want to happen in my show because people buy tickets and come. They really need to feel that she really gave it all, and that's one thing for sure that I keep in mind, that I give, just like always, give my 100%, maybe more than that.
You don't believe in minus ones. You don't believe in plus ones on stage. You like to interact with your audience. So how do you like to interact? What exactly do you do?
I just go with the flow.
Mm.
My so many songs that I have sung in the past and still singing, they tell a story. Each song tells a story because people have related with those songs in the past, and now with the help of social media, so many older songs are just coming back to in forms of remakes, and they are re-releasing it. And then you realize that, melodies, if it's a good composition, if it's a great melody, it just never gets old. Just like those older songs that we've heard, as children, as younger people. It's a good feeling because if I have to really pick a few songs, then songs like Deedar De or Kaisi Paheli, or even Sajna Ji Wari Wari, or Dekho Na, for that matter, Bhage Re Man. When I sing them even today, people just relate to them. People who don't know those songs, even them, because it's the melody that is the hero. You can't go wrong with the beautiful lyrics and the compositions. And if you are singing them live with all your heart, and you're meaning each and every word, and you're connecting through your songs, you're connecting to each and every person in the audience, then I think, yeah, you're at some good place.
Could you give us an idea by singing maybe a couple of lines?
Oh yeah. So I'll sing Bhagiraman for you. बहता है मन कहीं, कहाँ जानते नहीं, कोई रोक ले यहीं, भागे रे मन कहीं, आगे रे मन चला जाने, किधर जानू ना, भागे रे मन कहीं, आगे रे मन चला जाने, किधर जानू ना.
Fantastic. I genuinely feel that adrenaline can be your middle name as well. Beat Kamli, beat Crazy Kiare. Recently, Sultana, for example, then Ark, that has come out recently. I think it's a wonderful. There are new songs as well. So, how important is it, in terms like this entire adrenaline element that is there? It can truly be associated with you as well.
Yeah, I am just so ready and charged up and wired when I'm on stage. I feel like I'm most free when I'm on that stage. I feel I can do anything. I feel I'm a superwoman. I can fly. I can like jump into the crowd and they'll catch me. I mean, all those things come to my head. Stage does that to me. Whatever is happening, I'm just following whatever is coming naturally to me. There is no plan, there is no thought. The only thing that is kind of set or gonna have any change is my song list, because there's a certain graph that I work on in a show like this, which is 3 hours long. I want to take people from one place to the other, slowly, gradually go up and bring it down and then take them up again. So that's a conscious thought, but otherwise, everything else just happens naturally and right there and then. Yeah, that's what I think is beautiful, because in each show, we end up doing something different and we are happier by the end of the show because we've done something that we did not do in the last show. And it's with not just with me, but it's with my dancers, it's with my band members. They keep improvising. It's a playground for all of us. So yeah.
When you talk about the band, for example, how do you guys rehearse? So what is the moment before, like say 1 hour before the show, like what exactly is happening?
2 hours before the show, we are doing our sound check. We make sure we are doing our proper sound check, line check, and that takes about 2.5 hours. And then everybody's kind of chilling because they need to relax and get ready for the show, because the show takes all of it, like all our energies, all our strengths, everything goes into the show, because it's really tiresome. It is physically very challenging. And especially for me, when I'm singing and dancing now, and I'm in my those tall heels, it is a bit tiring. And sometimes, on stage, you kind of trip here and there because of excitement, and then you're in pain, and then you have to not think about the pain and perform in pain. All that also happens. So there are difficult times, but like you said, that rush takes over everything. It's just a secondary thing on stage. You just want to still give more and more, and it's like talking to yourself on stage. It is in a way for the people, but not really. It is for yourself. You're feeding off that energy that is coming out of you.
While you're singing and you're performing as well, so Sheila Ki Javani and Kamli, Katrina Kaif, BD Jalaile, Pasha Basu, Crazy Kiare, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, so many of the songs, Sultana, Nora Fateh, of course. So do you also just incorporate their personality as well while performing on stage?
No, I think I'm my own personality on stage,
Mm.
and that is crazy enough, I think, because sometimes I really lose control. And that's most of the times, not really sometimes. And I get to know about that later because we discuss what all we did in the show, and my dancers and my band members, we all realize that we've really gone crazy tonight. So yeah, all these songs are, I mean, I'm a product of all these beautiful songs, and these songs also have faces like all the names you took.
Mm,
But when people buy tickets and come to see me in my show, then they know that they are looking for something that is coming straight from me, and that's not cushioned or packaged with something else. I mean, I don't play the visuals of the original song in the back. It's me or it's not me, on the screen. So it's purely from the music perspective that we what we present is there on stage. So it's a different vibe. And when you hear it live, it's totally different from how you hear it in the movie.
right.
Good part is that obviously we take responsibility to present it in a certain way so that uh, वो thought ही वहां ना आए कि जो ओरिजिनल गाना उन्होंने देखा हुआ है वो भूल जाएं. That's what I strive to do, because ultimately it's me who's singing it and it's my song and I want to make the most of it. So, yeah, and I think that comes across many times. That's what I get to hear from people. So,
Is it possible if you could please hum like a medley of some of your fast numbers, if possible?
okay. सजना जी वारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं, सजना जी वारी वारी जाऊं जी मैं, तू ही तो मेरा संसार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है, ऐसा मेरा प्यार है. ऐसा जादू डाला रे, ऐसा जादू डाला रे. My name is Sheila, Sheila ki Japani, Bidi Jalaile. I mean, I can go on
Yeah,
and
yeah, of
on.
course.
How many do you
No,
want
no,
me to
no,
sing?
no. I can. I'm hungry for as many as you want. You're an entertainer. Thousands of people are there in the arena. आपके लिए खुद के लिए enjoy करना उस moment को कितना जरूरी है so that the people can enjoy it as well.
I don't think people will enjoy even one bit of the whole show if I don't enjoy myself on stage or my band members are not equally involved. It's everybody's job. If I'm just performing myself and my dancers are here and there and my band is in their own zone, I don't think anybody will connect with that. So it's all of us together. Of course, I'm the captain of the ship, but I give that energy in the back, to all my musicians and dancers. And of course, and they give the energy back to me. And then we all are serving to the audience. Without having fun, I don't think it's a show. Then it's just, you can go to just any show, just anything. Like you could go and have some kind of entertainment. But this is a little more than just entertainment. It shows the blood and sweat, the love for music. It shows the craziness, um, and the eccentricity that all of us have on stage.
Absolutely, you'll be in US, for example. We've heard you sing English songs, and you do it
Yeah.
effortlessly. For example, when is it that we'll see Sunidhi Chauhan going international?
I don't know. Well, now India is on a global map. I mean, all the artists are on a global map. We are already international. I mean, many of
Mm.
us, many artists from India. The fact that I'm performing in the US and I just performed last year in Australia, I know what you're talking about, international, what it means. But I think when there's a right time or there's a right opportunity, it just happens. If it has to happen, it'll happen. But I feel India in general is everywhere. All the artists, we have some really big names and they are doing very well. And people they have their audiences. People just want to buy tickets and go and watch them perform live. Even back in India, I think it's a great time for all the artists, all the indie artists. Everybody has an audience. I mean, people are filling up stadiums and big venues, and people are now more open to listening to just music and nothing else. So it's a good time for music in general in India and globally. If I do come across a fabulous something that I can work on or collaborate with an artist, who knows what is going to be international, but or that popular. But I just keep doing what I love to do, and maybe I'll cross path with something like that.
We have a rapid fire segment with you as well. But before that, मैं आपसे एक और आखिरी सवाल पूछना चाहता था. I've had the privilege of doing interviews with Asha Bhosle ji many times. And आशा जी ने एक बार मुझे बताया कि that जब वो एकदम बिल्कुल करियर में शुरू में वो किसी एक गाना गाने के लिए स्टूडियो पहुंची वो, तो म्यूजिक कंपोजर ने उनसे कहा कि that खिचड़ी तैयार है, आपको बस खाना है.
अच्छा.
So
Okay.
Asha ji is Asha ji in the sense like she has always proved herself, and she likes to push the boundaries. So Asha ji went and she just sang her heart out completely. And once she recorded the song, she came out and she told the composer, खिचड़ी को बिरयानी बना दिया ना.
या मैं वो ज़्यादा सोच रही थी कि शायद उन्होंने ये कहा होगा कि आशा जी आप खिचड़ी तैयार है, आप आके तड़का लगा दीजिए.
Yeah, that was right in
Because
the
I think
beginning.
she does that in every
Right in
song.
the beginning of her career. So
Okay.
what I'm trying to say is,
Oh
what I'm trying to
wow.
say is कि that
Yeah.
क्या आपके साथ में कभी इस तरीके से हुआ? बिकॉज मैं कहीं आपका एक इंटरव्यू में आपका देख रहा था, उसमें यू नो दैट एट टाइम्स इवन स्टार्स जो हैं वो थोड़ा सा ये हो सकता है कि यार मे बी शी कैन ओवरशैडो, हर वॉइस कैन ओवरशैडो आवर प्रेजेंस, स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस एज वेल. सो
Yeah.
क्या, how important is it for you not to hold yourself back just because someone else can feel comfortable?
See, when it comes to singing in movies is also acting.
Hmm.
सो आई डोंट थिंक लाइक मैंने अभी स्टेज की आपसे जो बात की वो यहाँ पे भी लागू होती है. अगर आप थोड़ा भी होल्ड बैक करेंगे तो वो इट वोंट कम अक्रॉस, इट वोंट पेनिट्रेट.
Hmm.
जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना कि आपने इनके लिए गाया, ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो ही गा रही थी, आपने इतनी अच्छी आवाज मैच की. ट्रूथ ये है कि कोई भी किसी की आवाज मैच करके नहीं गा सकता, फिर तो वो झूठा हुआ. इट इज द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ द सिंगर हु हैज sung दिस song and the expression of the artist who's performed on that song that matches. It's never the voice quality. It's not possible. And the greatest example for me in my career would be Rekha ji when she mimed on Kaisi Paheli. She looked like she was singing it. And the truth is, जब मैंने वो गाना गाया था, मुझे मालूम भी नहीं था कि वो रेखा जी के लिए है. मुझे सिर्फ ये पता था कि परिणीता फिल्म के लिए है. और जब मैं स्टूडियो में गा रही थी तो राइमा सेन had come to just be around and just listen to the song. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा शायद उनके लिए है. जब ये गाना रिलीज हुआ और मैंने सीधा इसको टेलीविजन पे देखा तो मेरे तो होश ही उड़ गए, क्योंकि मैं तब ये सोचने लगी कि काश मुझे पता होता तो शायद मैं वैसे गाती, रेखा जी को दिमाग में रख के. बट फिर मैंने सोचा कि मैं क्या ही उनको दिमाग में रख के गाती. मैंने जो गाया बस वो मन से उस गाने को, लिरिक्स को समझ के और जो मैच्योरिटी उस गाने के लिए चाहिए थी उसके हिसाब से गाया. एंड सेम थिंग ऑन हर पार्ट शी डिड एंड दैट मैच्ड. सो इट्स ऑलवेज दैट आई बिलीव, इट्स नथिंग एल्स.
Great. Okay, so maybe we'll quickly end this interview with a rapid fire with you.